The G Square Show.
This is TechBeat news on the program The G Square Show. China's latest high-speed train breakthrough. You're welcome to TechBeat today. We are spotlighting China's latest innovation in high-speed rail technology. The CR450 train, with its record-breaking speed and advanced features. This train is set to revolutionize transportation. Let's dive into the technology behind it and what makes it so remarkable. The CR450 train. China has unveiled the CR450, its latest high-speed train prototype, capable of reaching speeds of up to 450 kilometers per hour. Developed by CRRC Changchun Railway Vehicles and CRRC Sifang Company Limited. This train is designed to operate at a commercial speed of 400 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest in the world. The CR450 is 10% lighter, 22% more aerodynamic, and 20% more energy efficient than its predecessor, the CR400 Foxing. Technological advancements. The CR450 boasts several technological advancements, including advanced materials. Carbon fiber and glass fiber are used to reduce weight while enhancing strength. Aerodynamic design. The train's streamlined nose and bulk enclosures reduce noise and vibration. Intelligent roll framework. Equipped with over 2,000 sensors. The train monitors components in real time, ensuring safety and performance. Noise reduction. Advanced noise reduction techniques reduce interior noise by 2 decibels. Impact and future plans. The CR450 is expected to enter commercial service in 2025, with full deployment on lines like the second Chengdu-Chongqing Railway by 2027. China aims to expand its high-speed rail network to 70,000 kilometers by 2035, promoting sustainable transport and reduced reliance on short-haul flights. The CR450's eco-friendly design and lower energy consumption align with this vision. That's all for today's episode of TechBeat. The CR450 train represents a significant leap forward in high-speed rail technology. With its advanced features and sustainable design, as China continues to push the boundaries of innovation, we can expect to see more exciting developments in the world of transportation. This is Delson Sunday, Little MC.
The G Square Show.